Before the hospital wakes up, there are people who prepare for it. Some listen carefully. Some see what others can't. Some search for answers in numbers. Some stand steady when every second matters. At Brainware University, their classrooms aren't ordinary. They feel the weight of responsibility early. In clinics, in labs, among stories written inside the human body. Mistakes are corrected. Hands grow steadier. Knowledge turns into instinct. And one day, they are trusted. This is how careers in healthcare begin. Quietly, confidently. At Brainware University.